And a very good evening from a very quiet bridge. So everyone has gone home for the evening. It's just myself and Freddie here.
Hello,
left,
everyone.
Working hard.
Watch your Ian. Ian's watching.
Hello, everyone.
Winner of our escort. Hey, Ian, how you doing?
So the reason that we've just popped the camera on and gone live is a couple of things, really. First of all, if you're on the mailing list, you would have literally just received an email, or when you get home, you'll have an email, because we've just launched our next competition car, which is a very exciting competition car, certainly off the back of the SLK that was modern.
And silver.
And silver, and fairly new to us, the modern style, and we didn't know how well it was going to go. It went crazy. It went really, really well. Even during the launch sale, we sold out. So we didn't even get to the full price by the time the SLK went. You know, we had the XKR supercharged in the background, ready to go. So we're hopeful this is going to be as good, if not better, because it's an absolute beaut of a car. So we've launched this literally 5 minutes ago. So not too many tickets have sold, or just before we went on, there was a handful of tickets sold, but there is only 3,333 tickets available on this car. So
good evening, Andy. Andy says he's watching from Ross-on-Sea. Sunny Ross-on-Sea.
Very good evening. So the other reason why was just for you to be the first to know. So obviously we launched a week ago with our Porsche 911. Probably one of the most exciting cars that we've done. Certainly a lot of people here at Bridge have felt this is one of the most exciting cars we've done. We're nearly sort of 2/3 sold in a week. So there was 4,000 odd tickets, 4,700 tickets. I think we're down to about 1,700, 1,800 tickets now.
Yeah, sounds about right.
It's just ridiculous. So you're the first to know this, that on Sunday evening at 10 o'clock, will be the very last time you can get the launch sale price. So at the moment they're currently for sale for £14. They go up to £15 and they'll go up at 10 o'clock on Sunday. So if you are thinking of getting your tickets, absolutely get them now before Sunday.
Ian Davies saying on the Jag 3333 is a good omen for him, the amount of tickets, because it's the same amount of tickets that he had on the Escort when he won it.
Is it?
Yeah, so he's in for the Jag as well. Wouldn't be our first double winner. We've had double winner. A chap called Andy won Spitfire off us.
And then the SD1. And I spoke to Andy the other day, funnily enough, and he's still got the SD1.
Has he?
Yeah, because someone contacted us and said, the winner of the SD1, would he be interested in selling it? And I thought, well, I'll put a call into him, and the answer is no, he wouldn't be interested in selling it.
That's nice to hear, isn't
it? It's
it?
really nice, yeah. So he did the Spitfire one, didn't he?
Yeah, he did.
So he didn't keep the Spitfire because there wasn't enough room in it. So he did sell that, which is absolutely fine. A lot of people do that, but it's really nice to know that he's still got the SD1 and he's not looking at selling it just yet. So yeah, it's well worth being in these because you know it is life-changing. Is possibly the wrong word. ITV got in trouble for saying it the other day, didn't they? Life-changing.
Who did?
ITV.
What did they say?
I think Andy Peters said you can win 100 grand or 200 grand and it's life-changing, and then
cannot guarantee to be life-changing.
Apparently, yeah, it's not life-changing to some people, so he's not allowed to say it anymore. So.
Andy's got tickets to the Porsche. Looks lovely. Good luck, Andy.
Anyway, so on the Porsche, very quickly, because we didn't want to sort of stay on too long, because I know people are wanting to get home. So launch sale on this is currently £14 a ticket. Selling really, really well. It's worth just saying it's not next Thursday, but it's the Thursday after is the scheduled draw date for this one. It's guaranteed anyway to be that draw date, whether we sell out or not. But if we do sell out early, which at the moment it is heading possibly towards it being a sellout early, then we'll try and draw the car earlier. It's next Thursday, a week earlier. Of course, we'll draw it a week earlier.
It's worth noting that both of our last two competitions are sold out ahead of the scheduled draw date, so don't leave it until that day to buy your tickets because you could miss out.
And absolutely don't leave it to the last minute because it's £14 a ticket now, which is the launch sale price, but 10 o'clock on Sunday, it will go up to £15, so get your tickets in now. Yes, only £1 difference, but £1, you know, it makes a difference. So it's well worth getting your tickets now. And then have a little look at the XKR Supercharged as well whilst you're on there. That was launched 10 minutes ago. If there's no other questions, then we might as well go home. But yeah, it's definitely worth getting your tickets on the 911 before Sunday at 10 o'clock. They're still going to be available after that until it's sold out. But £14 now, from 10 o'clock on Sunday, it'll go to £15. So have a great weekend, and we'll be on the camera again next week. If you've got any questions in the meantime, give us a shout. We'll come on and answer some next week. Have a good one.